Did you hear about this story? Oculus changing their name
Meta.
to Meta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We knew this was going to happen, though, didn't we?
Yeah. But this is like official now.
Wow.
So they don't have the handle anymore on Twitter.
Weird.
And
people are mad about it as well because people really like the Oculus name.
yes, that a great.
It's kind of a cool name.
Great tune.
Yeah, Meta doubles down. It will be the Meta Quest, I presume, and everything is gonna be Meta eventually. They sent us a bunch recently, remember? And we were curious if they were gonna be the new one or the old one.
Yeah, if it had any Meta branding.
Yeah,
but no.
Maybe the reason they gifted us a bunch was probably because they're gonna have new packaging sometime soon that actually says Meta. That's what we were curious about, but. New name, same mission. This is their post. I guess they posted a meme here. Oculus, MetaQuest, happy face. No big deal as far as Zuckerberg's concerned.
Yeah.
Don't pay no attention over here. What do you think? Are you bothered or do you care?
I think it's kind of like a end to an era. Oculus was a very like distinct VR player.
Kind of started it all, I would say, no?
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
like to do it well
in a mainstream way.
In the mainstream, yeah. Yeah, so I guess rest in peace. Oculus Twitter handle.
Good call. Well, Oculus everything.
Yeah.
Oculus everything.